Hello everyone, here's a brief introduction to the high-precision winding process for electromagnetic brake coils. In the industry, different clients have varying requirements for coil neatness, with international brands, such as Japanese ones, being particularly stringent regarding flatness and consistency. In the past, such high-end coils were mostly manually wound. However, labor costs are not high, skilled workers are hard to find and train, and the generational gap in expertise has become evident. Therefore, automated winding has become a trend. The REPOSAL SP-112H2020-ND4a is a precision automatic winding machine specifically designed for thermosetting brake electromagnetic coils. It integrates half-accurate functionality and is compatible with self-bonding magnet wires. The machine offers high precision, strong stability, neat winding, excellent repeatability, and superior process rigidity. It ensures smooth, vibration-free winding, with results far surpassing manual work. It has gained widespread market recognition and is used by many international brands and large